We haven't seen any down here lately.
I went to retrieve Deb's.
Yeah.
Oh,
First.
Well, you know what? She better split the money with me.
Who's that person that
Because I suggested that she
Brianni?
Yeah, well,
I don't see anything coming down there. Anything this rock?
Oh, here's the big blue ball coming.
oh my gosh, Carol, it's not over yet.
Oh, and mine is right beside it.
Oh?
It's gonna be, mine's gonna be second.
Who's that? That's yours,
I don't see the big blue ball.
Oh, here's the blue ball coming. I can see it now.
Hey, Lorraine, where's the line?
Right here.
Right here, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, whereabouts here?
Well, John.
Well, it might be close.
Get mine is good, Brendan. Brendan, give it a puck ball. Brendan, give it a big soccer kick.
This is gonna be the count.
Yeah.
It was right here.
Oh, God's coming in with his Viagra ball. With his
Oh, you're
Viagra.
going to make it.
John's coming here. John's
Oh, there's the line right there.
Yours was ahead of everybody else's. You don't want it.
I think yours got stuck though, Marilyn.
I think yours is
Well, go and stick it.
Look at mine, everybody.
Where?
The white's coming down.
Brendan, you're flying a big fish.
No, we don't have them this time.
Listen to Lorraine. She's.
Hey, whose is this one here?
This is mine.
Where?
Here.
That's right.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, a can with no lid on it.
That's nobody.
Hey, Brendan,
Look at how fast it goes.
you're not paying attention to my thing down there.
Carol, this would have worked.
Who's that?
What is this?
Where's Shannon anyway?
Where's Shannon? Oh, the big one. Low, low, man. Low, low, low. No, no,
Everybody,
Hey, Shannon's the winner! Yay!
Woohoo!
Honey, you almost won.
Where's mine, honey?
You almost won. It was just like it was only like a quarter mile away.
Shannon's the winner.
What happened to your ball?
You know what? I have to tell you something. Shannon, congratulations. But I know why she won.
Congratulations.
She told me on the side. She greased her bottle.
Did she really?
Greased it all.
Did you, Shani?
Oh, it's so. Shannon, congratulations.
Shani, that
I would
is
normally be throwing you
excellent.
in the water, but since you just.
Oh, wow. Our very. Our first annual.
Lorraine's a runner-up. Number 2.
Oh, here comes the hot water
Big
bottle.
hand for number 2. Number
Lorraine?
3, the hot water bottle. Shannon here. I think it was number 3.
I do like the hot water bottle.
We're trying to see who's going to be coming in 4th.
The hot water bottle looks the best.
It's cute. It's too cute.
Number 4 is going to be probably Mums or Robs, one of the two. That little pill box came a long way for his
Hey,
size.
did it make it to pill box too?
There's your pill box.
Oh, Mom, it was the lead for so long.
Mommy had already spent her money.
Number 4, Rob Skipper, the big hand for Rob.
Hooray!
Number 5, Mummy.
Your mum was right in the lead and you got stuck in the last hit.
Number 6, Carol. Number 7,
We got it.
Viagra!
Debbie.
The Viagra made it! Viagra barrel made
started
it!
off with a hard one and then it just slowed down.
Around that corner, throwing Shannon's to try to get it back up in the lead.
Well, that was so much fun.
Pretty good.
That was a great idea, Lorraine.
I like the hot water bottle.
Deborah's.
So who was second?
Who was second?
What happened to mom?
Lorraine was
What happened to mom?
Hers got
She went all the
caught.
way down and got stuck in the bushes. Oh, you're kidding.
Maryland was first.
50 feet back.
All the doors started opening up to the pill bottle. Hey? Mine never came, huh?
Watch you don't accidentally hit Uncle Rob. Be careful.
Look at Lorraine. Look at Lorraine undoing all the...
Okay, that's it.
Mine got stuck too, Breezy.
I think yours was
At the very beginning.
Mine did too. Mine's not even here.
All in 1 second from the beginning.
But you know what? The next time we're
bottle.
going to do that, we're eating a large art.
If this didn't have this on it,
She won last night. Well,
No, I think he said he
Well,
Something.
Hey, there it is.
not bad.
Whose is that?
Good for a second prize.
Sure, we should buy some ribbons at the dollar store sometimes. You know, they're $1.
kidding.
First prize, second prize.
Yeah.
50 cents, you get a whole bag of them. A nice ribbon.
I've seen them there, but it's a good
Yes,
idea.
I did.
What, are you taking a picture of all the disappointed losers?
I gotta believe it. Yours was straight to the left. Actually, Mum's was ahead of yours. You're both from here from Lincoln.
Well, Noreen won't believe it, but this is like half an hour after the race is finished.
1 hour after the race is over. Give her $2 for the slower.
She won't believe it.
You're gonna knock it free, and then you're gonna, it's gonna go down.
Brienne's entry that got stuck way back. But the boy should have released it.
Oh, not bad though.
Well,
And 32. G52. Oh, 60. Or G60, sorry. B14. B what?
P1? You're in the movies now, Brenda.
Oh, 63. And 34. And 38.
didn't. Has anybody even got it up there once?
What? Yeah, we put it up there. It stayed up there. We didn't.
It's harder than a regular ball, right? Hey, way, yo. I think getting it in was easier than getting it out. Hey. look at my little Zachary. That's cute. Zachary, show Auntie Shirley.
Watch you don't trip on your pants and breathe.
Stop paying.
Let me see you, sweetheart.
Good drummer. You're ready? Any more kids? Any more? Okay. When the kids want... Come on, Maureen. Do you want to wear this pretty hat? He hasn't got an instrument to hold. Do you want to wear this pretty hat instead? Yeah. Look at Zachary there.
Look at Zachary. John, look at Zachary over here.
He's announcing it.
Look at this.
He's hoping for some he can get some business.
Too cute. He's drumming up.
And you've got this big, huge mirror.
Want to come see yourself? Oh,
I took it out of the motorhome.
What's this guy's name?
We're not allowed to use any costumes for the big night for the lip sync night.
What's this guy's name?
Oh, here's another girl.
That's what we're doing. Remember, generated, and we want as many participants.
I'm just going to come get you. Believe me, you should see the
Oh, put your outfit on, John. I got it on right here. Put your outfit on. I found a job. I'm the cameraman.
I know, don't worry about it, honey. Bought it at the thrift store yesterday.
And you know, we practice all the time. We're always getting this get up and going.
So where's Zach? Is he still selling the concert?
Can we go swimming?
He's selling tickets.
Oh, we'll see. Okay. Yeah. No, we're going to do the parade. Yeah, parade's in the water with his grandpa. I told him that you I told him that...
Everybody, get the boat. I stuck 2 lines.
We'll walk with Scotty. Cut it and get a costume on.
We got a motorcycle.
I would like it to be in the show.
Let's go swimming. Excuse me, but I'm talking right now. That's true.
That's true.
Give the rest of Sharon's help. Haley always came forward. I always got
Let me just see something. Rosie, did you put this in one bag?
Garbage.
Well, I don't know.
I told Brandon today, Mom sitting out loud in there, and he's like, oh, it's okay, I'll just get
Let's go talk to him real nice.
Thank you very much, everyone.
No, I did not appreciate our two relatives bombarding us with water balloons. If it was 3 13-year-olds. Yeah, I know. It's a 4-year-old. You don't know. Yes, they can do it to the 13-year-olds, but the 4-year-olds, no. What do you mean? I got the same thing when my brother did. And that was funny.
And they were trying to find that the big bombard.
Well, if they'd gotten Zach, I would have been more happy for the others. And the stupid me walked right down there.
I got one in the face the other day.
Well, I guess it's probably her fault. She probably doesn't matter. That's no excuse.
3 hours at the gym. But they gave her yes, they gave her an hour warning and give her
I'll tell you one thing, you really calm down when you wear these fun outfits.
Oh, you sure do.
Yeah, if you wear this kind of outfit, you're like a calm.
Oh, when I wear my outfit, nothing underneath. Oh, except she's did you, great.
Thank you. Oh, is this the dog we tried to get back out? Okay. Thank you.
Where is she? Wearing an old hat. This is a great hat.
It's part of the
Harris.
Pardon me?
It's part of Harris.
Oh, did I get
Yeah,
all
it's
my
part of
bows
theirs.
back? Some little girl said they had 2 in their hair. Believe it or not, these are hard to get.
This is a good hat.
You want to put that in there? Look in the mirror. Over here.
Oh, that's so pretty. Oh,
2 minutes to do.
Carol, I wouldn't have worn that if I had something else.
What, baby?
I wouldn't have worn that glitter outfit if I had something
It
else.
doesn't matter, Marilyn. What the hell? They won't know. How can they even put the connection together?
Right.
You only see it for 1 minute.
Plus, I only have 2 seconds, you know.
Yes.
That are here next Saturday night. It's not this Saturday.
No, it's a different people.
Yeah.
But you can put a show on this Saturday night and next Saturday.
Well,
no
you mean to tell me that we could have worn all our costumes?
Yes. Because next Saturday night they're not going to be here.
Yeah.
Most people are not here. Okay. Instrument.
Who says it doesn't rain in Cultus Lake? It is raining out here, but we don't give 2 hoots. We don't give 2 hoots because we're all undercover doing our little thing.
And the fish is delicious.
The queen bee's got the only spot with the chair and a table.
They say they're wiggly. They're great.
They're wiggly, all right.
They make this guy weird.
We call her the queen bee.
Thank you, Carol.
And little Miss
Really is
Muffet,
good.
little Miss Muffet's here, sitting on her tuffet.
Oh, it's not good.
And there's
Oh, it's so good.
there's Uncle Don appreciating every little mouthful.
Oh,
Honey, are you not eating?
delicious.
Totally.
My other honey. You're not eating, honey? There's plates right there on the table. It's a help yourself, sweetie.
No wonder it's good.
Flashy individual midfield, and that certainly hurt them tonight too.
And guess what? France has that tonight in the person of Zizou, Zidane.
The little girls usually don't. I don't know what age they start.
Starting forward for the French. The question for the French have been, can they play with style? Can they get it done?
Play with style. Who
Stop
cares?
pretending you understand the game, sis.
You're right.
Oh, there we... I said we finally got somebody here with spirit. These party poopers over here could hardly get a sound out of them.
Watch this. Watch this replay.
That was a great
What's going to happen?
El replay.
What did I cut the replay off?
Nielsen has, as he always does, he has changed the pace, and the pace was what was so loud.
There was the pace. Here comes the pace.